Hi everyone, so today I will be unpacking. It's not a tech, it's an accessory. It's a woman's watch, Swarovski Octea. Model number is 5672937. This one is in a rose gold color. So I ordered this thing from Amazon and it is for £430, but I think when I bought it, it was on a limited time deal. So this one I believe has got a dial size of 37 mm. The materials are crystal and rose gold tone. So I think there are two colors. It's made in Switzerland. So I will unpack it and let's see how it looks like out of the box. Okay, so I'm zooming in. So this is how it looks like. I have actually checked this watch in the store and it was looking beautiful, so I ordered this thing for my missus, and this is how it looks like. I won't be unpacking it completely. I will leave it for my missus to do that. She has granted me rights for the video only. So this is how it looks like. So the front dial actually, so this one is rose gold and it is actually charcoal in color, silverish charcoal. When on this piece is silverish charcoal. It's not pure silver, it's not black, and it looks quite nice. It's not cheap silver. Here you can see rose gold. The buttons are in rose gold with a crystal embedded in the middle, and the watch looks quite beautiful, very beautiful. That's how the back looks like. It's not skeleton design. It has got a butterfly clasp. It's a quartz watch. Yeah, and like I said, there are two colors, but the one which I was buying it from Amazon, it was in rose gold. So the other color, I think it's proper charcoal ash gray black with black chain, but yeah, my missus liked this one. If you have I will drop the link in the description of the video. It was out of stock and I got the last one, but yeah, I will still drop the link if you want to buy. It's worth it. Within £400 range, I have checked multiple Swatch plus Omega, other brands as well, especially for small dial size, not big bulky like Galaxy watch. This is pure party watch. Thank you everyone, take care.